When refactoring Pytest fixtures, the choice of AI assistant can significantly impact code quality. In a recent comparison, Claude and Gemini were given the same task: restructure a set of overlapping fixtures into a more modular hierarchy. Claude focused on clear separation of concerns, introducing a base fixture and using dependency injection to reduce duplication. Gemini, on the other hand, prioritized concise syntax, leveraging Pytest's built-in features like factories and indirect parameterization. Both solutions passed the test suite, but Claude's approach was more readable for newcomers, while Gemini's was more compact for experienced developers. The key difference lies in their training data and optimization objectives. Claude tends toward explanatory code, Gemini toward brevity. For teams with mixed skill levels, Claude's style may reduce onboarding friction. For performance-critical test suites, Gemini's lean